think we are live. There we go. We're coming up. All right, this is what I'm doing. Object templates for power armor. I want to make a bunch of paints for the power armor, see what they look like, but there's no quick and easy way for me to do it. At least I didn't make my own file for that. So this is what I'm doing. Had to make new furniture, right? Since I hate the furniture carry weight, I made them trunked. So the power armor frame has extra carry weight. So carry weight 75 right there. So if you don't like that or you want to change it, open up a creation kit and just delete that right there. That's all you have to do. Okay. And then I'll put my own level list in here that has, my custom armor. It's going to show up. This uses the keyword, made all new keywords for each paint. Why you have to make the keywords is because when you go into object template, it uses that if keyword to hunt for the things and stuff. Yeah. So we put the keyword in, and then we put the mod in right there. These are the object mods. Object mod will have the material swap right here. Material swap. So the material swap should be the only thing that you have to change when you're working with these templates. What do I mean by that? Well, if you go down here to material swap, and you see the ones that I made, you see the list of what is the original and what is the replacement. I'm just using vanilla textures for my replacement. So you would hit your edit, and then you would find your material file that you created. You probably have a custom folder that you created. So you would find that. And that material file is what leads to your actual DDS file, your texture. So go back and talk about object templates. They work kind of weird. So armor. There's my T60, my T51, and then my T45. The T45 is complete. The T51, I don't think I'm done with. No. So I have to add all my keywords and everything in here. So I'm removing this and adding whatever number this is. What am I on? Two. This is on the second slot right here. I already have Chrome as 1. So I add 2. And then go over here to where it says material. Use your filter. We're going to 2. Boop. Then we come down here to the next one, C. Remove that. We add 3. Go over to material. Don't double click it. Type in your filter. We're going to 3. Now we're on 4. Delete, add, 4th, paint, material, filter, we're on 4. All right, I'm going to hit apply. Okay. Save it. That way, if I crash, at least I have something. Back in our object template. We've gotten to the 4th one. See, keyword name changes right there. So we're going to 5. Material. And see, this is so obnoxious that people that just want to add textures, they don't want to go through all this kind of stuff to make it show up in level lists and keywords and all that kind of stuff. They just want to put the texture on and go, you know? So that's why I'm making these files. So we're on 5. F is 6. Delete. Add. 6. Okay. Material. Now what this also means is that these materials will always spawn with the lining F. But I don't care about that. It just means there's a leveling system if you find the armor. Some armors look cool, but they're not as strong. Other armors don't look as cool, but they're stronger. So that's fine. So we're going to do 6. All right, this one, for some reason, I changed already, but I was just messing around to make them show up. 7. All right. Now what we have to do is copy all these. Copy. Go over to here, hit new. Click on it. Right click. Paste. Click on your 7. Use your filter. Click on your 8, because that's what we're on. Add 8. Okay. And then one more. New. Make sure you click on it. Right click. Paste. Change your 7 to 9. Add the last keyword. 9. Apply. Okay. Save. See, now I got to do that for all the rest of these. Probably some of these. Yeah, haven't done it for these, all the T51s yet. I know I've done the helmet. This one's partially done, so I got to pick up from D. So yeah, I'm not going to do all that on camera. Let's skip over to the constructible objects. I'm having a problem with the paint showing up in the workbench. So you don't have any matching conditions. I don't have any workbench sounds, workbench keywords. I don't think I need them. I just copied one of the other paint constructible objects, but it's not showing up in game. So whatever. I'll figure that out. And then I made NPCs. See, one for each. I got a random. There's going to be 9 for the T51 and 9 for the T60 that I have to create, or 8 more. So it's going to be 16 more NPCs. I might do 3 more randoms as well to have it be a random T51 and a random T60, random T45. Just to allow more options, I guess. If you want to see all these, you go over here and you hit D. And you look for debug range. You'll have a little star right there. And of course, to all these PC players, this is going to look like absolute crap when you go in game, because they're just regular vanilla textures. But this is what the frames look like in the CK. The pieces aren't going to spawn until you're actually in game. And then those are the 9. And then these are the others, the random and the 51 and 60 over there. And then these are the NPCs back here that I made. So when you go into game, what you can do is you click on this, you right click, copy, and then when you go in game, you can hit your tilde key, COC, space, Control V, enter, and it'll take you there. It'll take you wherever the COC marker is, which is right here. And that's what happens. Also, I was testing some stuff in Qasmoke, but I'm going to clean these 2 cells up for the final release, of course. This is just testing crap. Yeah, no. So, whenever the constructible objects, let's look at one of the object mods. I think I already did that, didn't I? Yeah. Just as a material swap, and here's the keywords, so that one object mod will be able to affect all these different ones. The XO one I'll do after I finish all the details and everything of the other ones. Get everything working first, and then I'll do the XO one after that. And that's where we are in our modding update and our channel update and what we're doing. See, this is all the level lists. And if you just go up here and hit, the top of the list or whatever, it'll show everything I've created so far. Here's all my keywords. Here's all my level lists. These are all my material swaps. It says MS for material swap, PA for power armor. It should say OM for object mod, but oh well. It says material. That's how I know it's an object mod. Then you got your furniture, and so I need to make 8 more 51s and 8 more 60s. Yeah. But I gotta make the level lists first, right? Yep. I already got the keywords. I don't have all the do I? Yeah, because the object mods work on all. So I only need 9. We need 9 constructible objects. I only needed 16 keywords because I needed ifs and dns. Yeah, that's going to be pretty much what this mod is. And then if you don't know what talking about when I say material files, See, these are the packed files right here. Produced all my mods. And see, materials. I have an underscore because I'm uploaded to PS4, but it'd be actors. Character? Nope. What is power armor? So you just change the name of it to be able to get past the filter and for PS4. So I mean, you can just put it in the materials files. You don't have to have it in your own separate file, but whatever. How you tell what you're looking for as you go to the material swaps, right? And it'll say actor power armor, blah blah blah. So materials, actors, power armor. See, so T-45 helmet. Go over here to materials, and then that's what you change to your custom files right here. You're going to see your D, your N, and your S, and your D if you use all that. I think you can just get away with just changing one if you don't change too much. You're just changing a few colors. If you're adding trinkets and whatnot, you got to do your speculars, your S. So that way, if you have like duct tape on it, it'll show the texture of the duct tape. It'll look like it's raised off the guy. And that's a hint on how to do that. Yep. All right, that's all I really want to talk about. What I'm doing is going to take a few days before I can put out. The file is out in the work in progress section, but it's not this one. I'll probably update it today. It's called 9 Power Armor Paints. It's on the Bethesda.net website. It looks like this. Oop. So 3 people have downloaded it, 21 people have seen it. Yes, you're going to have to do all this DLC crap because I just felt like clicking those buttons. So you got to deal with it. And I'll update that later. Is there anything else I need to do or think about? Let me know, because I might be forgetting something. If anybody watches this and can see why my paints aren't showing up in game, let me know. Let's do this. Let's kill the music. Bird just hit my door. It was a dove. That was pretty stupid. Do we got a controller? You just COC in and have a look at what's here. So this is what the Chrome looks like. Name shows up. Yeah, that's another thing I have to work on. It's making the name show up for them all. It's what all the keywords and crap are set up for. Just have to finish it. And they'll show up. There's your rust. There's your flat black or something like that. The wood. Cloth. Stone. Red thing. Purple wood. And then I gotta fix them shoulder pads and the material swap, I think. And then that thing. This was the random, so it ended up being the purple wood. Very interesting.
Yes.
And these are just
Hey there.
settlers.
Yes.
All just settlers wearing the shit. I'm gonna make grenades so you can toss out grenades and blah blah blah. Get whatever you want.
Excuse me.
Hi, how are you? Yes. Huh? Yes. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
Big shiny. No. No. They all got wrenches.
Why don't you people just leave us alone?
Don't tease me, bro.
I ain't letting you get me.
I ain't dying without a fight.
Two hits. That's what it takes to kill the player. Alright, it's just a thing. It's just a mod. It is what it is. It's just something to keep me busy. Keep me creative in Creation Kit. You know, just a few more entries to go and I'm gonna be done with this one. And I can actually try out my artistic hand in creating textures, or maybe I can find somebody to make some textures for me so I can play around. That'd be fun. So if you want to give me some custom textures, I'll publish them for you. All right, I'm done. You have a good day. Be good. If you take over the world, treat it right. All right.